In this mini tutorial, I would go through using Padlet. Padlet is a website and app that allows students to curate information onto a virtual bulletin board using a simple drag and drop system. Students can start with a template or a blank page and add videos, text, links, documents, images, or anything else onto a virtual bulletin board. This is good to enhance student engagement, particularly for virtual classrooms. Let's start by opening up a Google Chrome web browser. And then we can go to Padlet.com. Once you're here, you can click on the login icon on the upper left side. And then you want to log in with your Google account using the Abertis email. Now to start a new Padlet, I want to click on the plus sign on the upper left side where it says make a Padlet. There's many options in terms of the style that you want to use for your Padlet. I like to use the wall style as is the most simplest one. So I want to press select. And now this is my new Padlet. On the right side, you get a screen with different options in terms of the title of your Padlet, the description, and different options of the in terms of the appearance, the wallpaper you want to use, the font, and whether or not you want it to be private, public, or allow comments. Um, I'm gonna call this one week 6 socialization, and the prompt for the description, I want to write a prompt for my students. Post images and or text about the people in your family who have influenced you the most. I could keep this wallpaper if I want, or I could change it. To change the wallpaper, you can click on wallpaper and you can use solid colors, pictures, textures. I'm going to use the green blackboard for now. And then I like to turn on the comments because it allows me and the students to comment on each other's posts in case we have further questions on their responses. And then I want to click on next up top. Now I'm ready to post. Now that you created the prompt, you want to share this Padlet with your students. You want to go and click on the upper right side of the screen on share. And then I like to share it through copy link to clipboard. Click it. And now your URL, your link for this particular Padlet is saved on the clipboard. So you could paste it onto your chat box in the video conferencing programs such as BlueJeans or Zoom. You can also upload this link onto e-learning where students can then go access this Padlet through e-learning. You can also share this as an email. So once students open this up, they'll see, if nothing has been posted yet, they'll see a blank one like this. And to start posting, you want to click on the bottom right plus sign and start posting the responses according to whatever prompt or question you had asked the students. My response. And then you can also these other options allows you to take pictures, to upload pictures. I want to allow the camera use. There, I took a picture of myself, not my mom, but you get just to show you, give you an idea of what you could do with Padlet. Let me go to an old week 4 assignment that I had my students do in my intro to sociology class here. The assignment, the prompt was to find a memes that they enjoy, that they like, and to highlight the symbols, the norms, the language, and the values embedded in those memes. So I was able to get them to locate memes online, and they were able to upload them, and then also describe what are the different symbols, values, norms, and languages embedded in those memes. So once all my students had uploaded their pictures and their responses, it looked a little bit like this. So this will always save under your Padlet dashboard, so you're able to go back to it and review and assess your students' participation or assignment. So Padlet is one way to increase engagement, virtual engagement with your students, especially during this pandemic. For any more information, you could contact me and we could work together to help you create Padlets. Thank you.